Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're going to look at how to mention or tag someone in your Gmail emails. So to start with, you want to open up your Gmail account and start a new message. So I'll send this to my other email address, put a subject in, and this is helpful if you want to introduce someone to another person or a business. You can mention them right in the email and they'll get notified as well. So I can say something like, hi, I'd like you to meet. Then you want to do the @ sign, and then if you know the first sort of letter of their email or name, just click that, and then different emails should come up. If the one you want is there, click on it, and that person will also be added to the to section. So when you send that message, the person you have mentioned will also get notified. So that's how you tag or mention someone in a Gmail email. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe, and I will see you soon.